This crew cab pickup generally a pleasure to drive. You will find its gas V6 4.3L/262 and 4-speed automatic with OD is in great running condition. Options on this vehicle included a 5150 pounds, 2336 kilograms GVWR, a Vortec 4300 V6V engine, electronically controlled with overdrive 4-speed automatic transmission, black all-season P235/70 R15 tires and a solid paint. This vehicle won't last long. Stop in today and go for a test drive.